As a knowledge worker, you're likely no stranger to the concept of note-taking and information management. With the rise of digital tools, the age-old question remains, which tool is right for you? In this video, we'll be diving into the world of Notion, Obsidian, and Apple Notes, three popular note-taking systems that have taken the productivity community by storm. Let's explore each option, their unique features, and which one might be the best fit for your workflow. Notion, a cloud-based workspace, has gained significant traction in recent years, boasting over 20 million users worldwide. At its core, Notion is a versatile tool that allows users to create custom databases, Kanban boards, and even entire websites. Its flexibility makes it an attractive option for those who want to organize their notes, tasks, and projects in a single, seamless environment. One of the standout features of Notion is its block-based structure. Users can create blocks, which can be pages, databases, or even